Hey everybody, this lightsaber looking thing is actually a mini Morph optimized for road air pump. This mini Morph is made by Topeak and it's pretty capable, and what I like most about it is its versatility. If we take a look at the head, the portion here, we can see that you can, without a lot of craziness, switch from a Schrader head to a Presta head. First thing you're going to do is take off the silver cap or the cap. We'll lift up the back that helps push this out, and there should be two pieces in there. I'm going to put them down. Now we just had this end facing, let's get a light on there. You can see it's the wider end, so that'll accept, that's for a Schrader nozzle, and that's your typical motorcycle tire or car type stem, that size. If you want to switch to a more narrow, or the Presta, the French Presta style, which is usually on the higher performance tires, you take this thing apart and turn both of them around. So I'm going to pull it apart, flip them both around, and then we're going to put that back in the head. And now we have that narrow head in there. Push that in, put the cap back on, and we've just gone from a Schrader to a Presta. There you go. That's how simple it is. That's one of the reasons I like this. Small, versatile. Thanks for watching.